Original Oreo cookies are a popular sandwich cookie made by Nabisco, consisting of two round chocolate-flavored wafers with a sweet, creamy filling in between. First introduced in 1912, they have become one of the best-selling cookies worldwide and are known for their distinctive taste, crunchy texture, and classic black and white appearance. The flavor of original Oreos comes from the combination of slightly bitter cocoa in the wafers and the rich, sweet vanilla-like cream filling. They are often enjoyed by twisting them apart, dunking them in milk, or eating them whole. Original Oreo cookies are made with unbleached enriched flour, a refined wheat flour in which the bran and germ are removed to create a softer texture and longer shelf life. This flour is fortified with niacin, reduced iron, thiamine mononitrate, vitamin B1, riboflavin, vitamin B2, and folic acid, all of which play essential roles in human health. Niacin supports cellular energy production, iron aids oxygen transport in red blood cells, thiamine and riboflavin assist in carbohydrate metabolism, and folic acid is vital for DNA synthesis and fetal development during pregnancy. However, because it is refined, this flour is low in dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health, satiety, and blood sugar regulation. Sugar, in the form of sucrose, is a disaccharide composed of glucose and fructose, providing immediate energy to the body. While it enhances sweetness and palatability, overconsumption is linked to adverse health outcomes such as obesity, tooth decay, due to acid production from oral bacteria, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Palm oil, which is semi-solid at room temperature, contains high levels of saturated fatty acids like palmitic acid. It provides structure and a creamy mouthfeel to cookies and resists oxidation, helping extend shelf life. However, diets high in saturated fats may elevate LDL bad cholesterol levels, contributing to plaque buildup in arteries and increasing the risk of heart disease. Soybean and/or canola oil contribute to the cookie's texture and moisture. Soybean oil contains polyunsaturated fats, including linoleic acid, omega-6, which supports skin and cell membrane health, while canola oil contains more monounsaturated fats and alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that can support heart health and reduce inflammation. Nonetheless, refining these oils strips away natural antioxidants such as vitamin E, and excess omega-6 intake without adequate omega-3 balance may promote chronic inflammation. Cocoa processed with alkali, also known as Dutch processed cocoa, has undergone treatment with an alkaline solution to neutralize acidity, resulting in a darker color and smoother flavor. While this process improves taste, it reduces naturally occurring flavonoids, antioxidant compounds linked to heart and brain health. Cocoa still contains theobromine and caffeine, which can mildly stimulate the nervous system and improve alertness. High fructose corn syrup, HFCS, is a liquid sweetener with a high proportion of fructose, which is metabolized primarily in the liver. HFCS enhances sweetness and helps retain moisture, keeping cookies soft. However, high intakes of fructose may promote hepatic lipogenesis, fat production in the liver, potentially leading to fatty liver disease, obesity, insulin resistance, and elevated triglyceride levels. Leavening agents such as baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and calcium phosphate generate carbon dioxide when exposed to heat and moisture, creating a light, airy texture in the cookie layers. Calcium phosphate also contributes trace amounts of dietary calcium, although not in significant quantities. Salt, sodium chloride, not only enhances flavor but also strengthens gluten structure in baked goods. While sodium is essential for nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and fluid balance, excessive intake is associated with elevated blood pressure, fluid retention, and an increased risk of stroke and cardiovascular disease. Soy lecithin is a natural emulsifier derived from soybeans, containing phospholipids such as phosphatidylcholine, which can support brain and liver health. It improves ingredient blending and prevents the separation of fats and liquids. While generally safe, it may cause allergic reactions in those sensitive to soy proteins. Chocolate in Oreo cookies adds depth of flavor and small amounts of minerals like magnesium, iron, and potassium, along with antioxidant compounds such as polyphenols. However, due to the small quantity used and the presence of added sugars and fats, its health benefits are minimal in this product. Finally, artificial flavor, typically synthetic vanillin produced from guaiacol or lignin, replicates the taste of natural vanilla at a fraction of the cost. While it provides consistency and stability in flavor, it offers no nutritional value. Together, these ingredients create the distinctive taste, texture, and appearance of original Oreo cookies. However, due to their high content of refined carbohydrates, added sugars, saturated fats, and low fiber, regular excessive consumption can contribute to various health concerns, making moderation key for those who enjoy them.